Hello tubes, good morning. Well, it's a nice sunny, what is it, Thursday. In Holland it's Hemelsvaartdag. In English that means Ascension Day. And where are we? With a small, a huge US car gathering in the northern part of the Netherlands, in Waarland. I just wanted to say small event, but it's growing and growing. It's going to be a huge event. Look. Old and new, nice mix, anything you like to buy, goodies, got gifts for badass babies. Well, all goodies. Amusement for the kids. Small tour. Nice weather, good food, good drinks, nice cold beer. What more do you want?
Nooit gedacht. Nooit gedacht.
Totem pose. If you gotta go, eh? What tubes? Gonna end this fit here, but don't worry, gonna try to make some more of it. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.